Wait. If Batman drove an SUV, what would it look like? Badass? Big? Yeah, this is it. The 2021 Escalade. Let me show you why this is a full-fledged badass SUV. Because it's a huge SUV, the rear view mirrors might not be so effective. So when you come here, you can flip it and it becomes a rear view camera. You have a first screen here that's really huge and a bigger one at the back, and this is 38-inch curved display that is bigger than your TV. And even the small part of this screen is touch screen. Now there's something cool here called AR camera, and this is very interesting. It's called augmented reality camera. When I click on it, see what happens right here. Now this shows you the camera in front to show you what's happening in front of you, and even navigation, and this can show you directions on where to turn, either left or right. When you want to hop into this car, because it's really high, the running boards come out immediately you open the doors. So see, and now I can step like this and sit down. A pretty cool feature for short people. Right on the front seat, you have speakers embedded into the headrest, and a total of 36 AKG speakers all around this car for premium surround sound. If you have limited space in the parking lot, instead of opening the whole trunk, you can just press the button here and you open just the rear windshield. It has 3-row seats, and let me show you what it looks like at the back. And damn, there's a lot of space in here, even USB-C charging ports. Because this is so badass and luxurious, the US President Joe Biden also rides in the Cadillac convoy. For 95 million Naira, you can get this.